Hello, I'm John and welcome to Cherview Chronicles Life in Motion. I'm happy to announce a collaboration with Canon and I'll be testing out the following. The Canon R5 Mark II, the 24-70 f2.8, the 70-200 f2.8 and the 100-500 f5 to 7.1. Now I've got quite a few episodes planned, from the unboxing, the wildlife, landscape, motorsport, seascape and street photography. So I've got around about 5 or 6 episodes planned. Do all this as a long working collaboration with Canon, testing out all the different cameras and seeing what's the best fit for anyone who's disabled or what's the best setup to use. So please do stick around for that, hit that subscribe and notification bell to be notified once the videos are uploaded. Thank you very much and I will catch you very soon.